Hello everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video we are going to solve this nice radical problem, and here we have 5 minus n whole square root equals to 5 minus n square. And now I can solve this problem for a unique method, and here I cannot take the square on both of the sides, so I can just solve this problem for a different technique. So hope so you will understand, or you will like this technique. So here the very first thing we are going to do is, here first I can move uh, n square in the left hand side and 5 minus n whole square root in the right hand side. Then you will get here n squared equals to 5 minus square root of 5 minus n. And now here I can take the square root on both of the sides. Then you will write the terms in this form, and here you see that we have this 2 and square root are gone, and here we write n equals to plus minus square root of 5 minus 5 minus n square root. So here we have two cases. The first is I can write n equals to 5 minus 5 minus n square root and this whole square root. And similarly the other case is we have the negative term, which is n equals to minus times of square root of 5 minus square root of 5 minus n. So here you see that first I can solve this case, and in this case you have n equals to, I can just write here, n equals to square root of 5 minus square root of 5 minus n. And now we can just put the value of this n in this equation. I can name this as equation number 1. So I can just put this value here, and you will just got it in the form of n equals to 5 square root of 5 minus square root of 5 minus n, and we can put the value of n here. Then you get again square root of 5 minus square root of 5 minus n. So you will get its output in this form. And similarly when you will substitute this n, this value of n in the form of, then you will get here the nested radical sequence, which is in this form: 5 minus square root of 5 minus square root of 5 minus square root of 5, and up to so on. You will get all the values in this form. And if you will focus here, all these factors you will get here, these all are equals to n, so that when you back substitute this value here, and in the left hand side you have n, so this equation will becomes n equals to 5 minus n. And now you will take the squaring on both of the sides, and you will get here n square equals to 5 minus n. And now we move this minus n in the left hand side, and you get n square plus n minus 5 equals to 0. So it will becomes quadratic form. So now we will solve this quadratic equation by using the quadratic formula, and you will get here n equals to minus b and plus minus b square minus 4 times of ac, and 4 times of ac equals to 20, and over 2 times of a, and 2 times of a equals to 1. So here you have minus 1 plus minus 21 square root over 2. So this is the our first two real solutions of this problem. And now in order to find the other solutions, we will just solve the second case. So here you have, this is the our second case, and now in this case we will again take this n equals to minus times of square root of 5 minus square root of 5 minus n, and we can name this as equation number 2. And now we will back substitute the value of n here in this form. Then you will get n equals to minus times of square root 5 minus square root of 5. And when you put the value of n here, so here this n is negative, so when you put here this minus and minus will becomes plus, and you will get here plus 5 minus and square root of 5 minus n. So similarly, when you substitute the values of n and up to so on, then you will get its nested sequence in this form: minus times of 5 minus square root of 5 plus square root of 5 minus square root of 5 plus and up to so on. So you will get here the nested sequence of radicals in this form. And here we will use the nice fact about the nested radicals. So now first I can write here this important fact. So if you have nested exponents, nested radical exponents, radical sequence in this form, square root of a into square root of a minus and square root of a plus square root of a and then minus square root of a and plus. If you have nested radical sequence in this form, then we will just write, or this sequence will becomes in the form of 4 times of a and minus 3 square root and minus 1 and this whole over 2. So I can just find the formula of this nested radical sequence. So these this type of sequence are equals to this form: 4a minus 3 and minus 1. So now you will just see here when we can put the value of a here. So our given question, you have n equals to minus times of 5 minus 5 square root plus and so on. So here you have the value of this a equals to 5. So we can just put here a equals to 5 in this formula. Then you will get its output in the form of n equals to minus times, because this minus be the this minus. Okay, this is our here, so we can write it as minus times of when you put the value of a here, so 4 times of 5 is 20 minus 3 square root and minus 1 over 2. So we will just simplify this term as, and we get minus times of square root of 17 minus 1 and this whole over 2. So this is the our second solution of this problem, and our first solution is just here we can write n is equals to minus 1 plus minus 2, and our other solution is when we multiply this minus sign on both of the terms, then you will get here 1 minus square root 17 over 2. So these are the other third solution of this problem, and these are the our final values of this problem. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.